my lovely city. Morning laughs with delight, for my joyful is meeting our friendly city with you. And such different weather, despite rain, heat and snow, I'm always delighted with yards and squares, gentle thoughts touch every note of my heart. I also try to write my glorious story, my wizard. Thanks for help when I am troubled. You always wipe my shining tears. Please take this pile of golden leaves. If you're a child or a wise man, just feel its soul, its calm and strength. So don't be scared, fall in your distant embrace. For all the times, my lonely city, I dream and see you getting the most precious noble prize.